Hi, it's Steve here again, part 4 of the trailer build. I've been and bought myself a bit of extra gear. I've got some more tie-down points for the trailer. I'm just going to work out where they're all going to go, and just about the bits and pieces. One of them is this plate gripper, which you use to pick up steel sheet. So I've got that this morning. Seeing as I'm handling sheet by myself, I figured I'd better get it. I've also got a breakaway unit for the trailer, for the electronic brakes. So I'll just open that up and there we have it. So we're going to make somewhere to mount that to, and yeah, that operates electric brakes. If the trailer becomes detached from the car, this device will take over and actuate the brakes in the trailer, and hopefully the trailer will stop and not run away somewhere. Anyway, just got that this morning. This is my first sheet of checker plate, ready to be cut into the floor sections. And yeah, it's the clamp that I had to go and buy this morning. So anyway, doing a great job. The clamp, I mean. I'm giving the sheets a prime with red oxide before I put them on, so I don't do it on my back underneath, and I'll prime the tops of the chassis rails as well. So there's the trailer tops of the trailer chassis been primed in red oxide, and I've primed the bottom of the checker plate sheet. I did the other sheets as well before they went in, and that's mainly because when you put metal to metal, it just picks up and corrodes like crazy. So having that's done will just help with the longevity of the trailer. With the first two, the upper deck sections done, and what I'll do now is I'll start working up the centre piece and the last section down there. But it's starting to look like a car trailer now, which is good. I have the rear of it jacked up in the air at the moment, but that's the checker plate most of it installed. I have the last piece to put on, which I'll be cutting up in a few minutes. I made a couple of tie-down hooks, which I'm lifting the trailer off at the moment. So that's there, and then underneath I've just done all of the panel welding. I've painted the sheets with red oxide, and then just been doing the last bits of welding underneath. So there it is from the back, with the safety frame removed. There was when I was working under there. There we have the back of the trailer finished. Oh, it's not totally finished. I've got to have side sections down here. That's all done. The drop storage area up the middle is completed, and I'm just starting to sort out all the gear in the front, but that's another day.